The top 5 best protein powder for muscle gain recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Naked Whey 5lb Unflavored Whey Protein Powder. While some people enjoy flavored protein powders, others prefer unflavored ones that can be added to foods and beverages without imparting a taste. Naked Whey fits this bill perfectly with its single-ingredient whey protein concentrate. This protein powder is sourced from Ruminant Cheese, a California-based company whose products come from cows that have been pastured more than 300 days per year and more than 19 hours per day. In addition, Naked Whey is third-party tested by Informed Choice. If you prefer a flavored option, Naked Nutrition also offers chocolate and vanilla products. Recommendation number 2. Momentous Essential Grass-Fed Whey Protein. Momentous Essential is our pick for the best whey protein powder thanks to its high-quality ingredients and rigorous quality testing. Specifically, the powder contains whey isolate sourced from milk produced by grass-fed cows. Whey isolate contains more than 90% protein by weight and is relatively low in lactose, whereas whey concentrate contains 89% protein and more lactose. The powder also includes an enzyme blend that the company claims helps improve the absorption of protein and reduce stomach upset, though research doesn't currently support these claims. Recommendation number 3. ASCENT Native Fuel Micellar CASEIN. ASCENT Native Fuel Micellar CASEIN is a high-quality protein powder that claims to use only natural ingredients. Casein is another protein that's found in milk. Compared to whey, casein is digested more slowly. As a result, some people take casein supplements before bed for sustained protein digestion throughout the night. Notably, ASCENT processes grade of milk in the company's own facilities to turn it into protein powder, whereas most manufacturers buy preprocessed protein. Recommendation number 4. Momentous Essential Plant-Based Protein. If you follow a vegan lifestyle, it may be challenging to meet your daily protein needs. One way to get enough is to include a plant-based protein powder in your diet. In fact, recent research suggests that a plant-based diet can be just as effective for muscle building as a meat-based diet. Momentous Essential Plant-Based is highly rated for quality and taste. It also contains a blend of plant-based protein sources, which research suggests may result in a greater leucine content. This is notable because leucine is a beta that plays an important role in building muscle. Recommendation number 5. Garden of Life Sport Grass-Fed Organic Whey Protein. The whey protein used in this protein powder from Garden of Life comes from truly grass-fed and animal welfare-friendly and 95% grass-fed dairy farm in Ireland. Grass-fed dairy has been shown to be higher in certain beneficial nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid, compared with conventional dairy. Garden of Life Sport Grass-Fed Organic Whey Protein is certified organic, free of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, and third-party certified by both NSF International and Informed Choice,